Brittany Griner has been outstanding at catching deep, getting deep position and catching with 2 feet in the paint.
Bird will pop and hit from 3. Diana Taurasi 13-0 all-time in winner-take-all contests. Howard rattles in a 3, and now the long balls are dropping. Bird playing with the mask after a 5th broken nose. Bird lays it up on Ian on the delivery from Stewart. We thank all of you. Controlled by Seattle. 6-point game. Bird, the jumper, is good. Bird evades Bonner. Finds the open player. It's Canada. Connecting on the jumper. Massage it in. Rebound banged over to Whitcomb. Here's Lloyd. Lloyd dips inside and puts it in. There comes the double. Griner couldn't squeeze it in, and Howard the rebound. Here comes Bird. Lloyd open. Lays it in. Great vision from Bird, despite the mask. Scored 8 in the first. She is 0 of 8 from the floor since. Stewart will take and hit on a 3. Bird wants to respond and does. None through the first 3. Bird wants it. Bird waits, takes, hits. Tour on the roll, excellent lead feed. Stewart couldn't finish, no foul. Howard keeps it alive. Bird connects. It's Sue Bird's building. Bonner taps it back. Clark wins it. Whitcomb will back it out and get it into the arms of Bird. Bird will take. You bet. She's unconscious right now. A +9 on the glass. Bird will let it wind. 8 to shoot. Bird heaves. Truth. Sue Bird. It is her night. Good Sue Bird. The Seattle Storm are headed to the WNBA Finals.